Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We will see that how can we delete the item, okay, uh, like this particular item and this particular item, okay. We have given an array, okay. So this is the array. So how can we get this element, okay? So we can get this particular all elements by using map function. So let's do it, okay? So what I will do, I will use map function over here. So on this particular array, arr dot map, okay? Inside I'll use function, right? And I'll use element, parent element and index, idx, right? So I'll return it, okay? Uh, Return, right? So I'll use over here fragment and I will use list for list of all the element, right? Okay, great, that's great. And I will use over here this particular ALM. We will get this all item, right? Okay. So what I will do, I will create a button, okay? I'll create a button over here, and when I click this button, when I click on the button, it should be deleted, right? So let me create a button for this, okay? Okay, button, yeah, I'll create a button over here. Uh, button, button, okay? So yeah, delete, right? So we got the button, okay? And when I click this particular place, it would this particular element would be deleted. When I click on this one, it should be deleted. When I click this one, this should be deleted, right? Okay. So yeah. So what I will do, I will I will create a use state, right? So let me create a use state code. Okay. So I'll create const const arr copy comma set array set array copy, right? And I'll use state and inside use state we have created a use state, right? And we have imported this one also, okay? So what I will do, I will put this all thing over here, right? So when I'll put this all things pointing to this particular stuff, like error copy, right? So what I will do, I will use error copy over here, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. So what I will do, I will create over here. I will create over here event, right? On click one, and inside on click event, I'll use arrow function, right? So I'll click handle. I will use handle delete function. Handle delete handle delete, and what I will do over here, I will use list over. I will use key over here should be it would be a very good practice when you are using key, right? So key would be unique things, right? This thing would be unique, okay? So handle it and I'll pass this particular index, right? So I'm passing this stuff, okay? And I'll call this, I'll create a function for this, right? And let me create this function function handle delete, right? And okay, great. So I'll pass over here index, right? IDX. Yeah. So what I will do, I will create a new array variable, right? ARR and right, and I'll use this and I'll insert this variable, right? ARR py and I'll use or delete the the elements. Will use filter, right? Filter function. So I'll use filter. Okay? So inside filter, I'll will create a arrow function, right? So yeah, okay, and I'll return it. Filter and inside arrow filter, what I'll pass element and index I. Okay, and this particular what I will return, this particular I is not equal to this particular index, right? Which I have passed through from over here, right? So I'll use IDX, right? And what I will do finally, I'll set it. I'll set it a copy. This is a function. I'll set it, right? What I'll do, I'll set array, set array, set array copy, and I'll test and I'll put over here, right? I'll put this stuff over here, right? So I'll use new array. Okay. So let let me check by using practical. Okay, it's working, right? When I refresh this again, and when I click on button, this on button, it will delete it, it will delete it, it will delete it. So by using this approach, we can do this stuff. Okay, everyone. Thank you.